Another friend of John is Gladys. Ang ganda naman ang pangalan nyo. Siguro your mother was glad nung lumabas ka, no? Kaya siguro Gladys. She was so glad.
Very glad.
Very glad. How do you spell your name?
G-L-A-D-Y-S.
Okay. Alam mo, mga ganong kaibigan na Gladys Imperial eh. Ano yun? Tennis player na napakagaling. Pero ngayon, meron na akong bagong kaibigan, Gladys, na scuba diver.
Scuba diver.
Bakit ba naisipan mo mag-scuba diving, Gladys?
Interesting kasi pag napapanood ko sa TV, tsaka sa movies, parang masarap na experience din na maka-interact mo yung mga
Ano ibig sabihin masarap? Malasa o binubusog mo yung mata mo?
Masaya.
Masaya. Binubusog mo yung mata mo.
Mm-mm.
Tama. Alam mo, ang ganda nung sinabi mo. Alam mo ba, pag maraming ka ng pera, ang binubusog mo hindi yung tiyan. Ang binubusog mo yung mata mo. Ano mo ibig sabihin? Yung... Hindi, huwag muna. Yun ang bottom line, magdadive. No? Paano yung mga diver? Pupunta ng Paris, pupunta ng New York, pupunta ng Canary Islands. Binubusog na yung mga mata nila. Ang ganda ng view, ang ganda ng view, ang ganda ng view. Dito, hindi ka na kailangan gagastos para magpunta sa mga exotic places. Kasi yung ilalim ng dagat, napakaganda naman talaga. Diba? Because, the Philippines is gifted with a lot of beautiful corals. Alam mo ba, ang Philippines is the center of marine biodiversity in the world?
I've watched you say that in your...
Again?
I've watched you say that in the internet.
Okay. Kasi, yung isang scientist na si Mr. Carpenter, no, na-discover niya, a scientist, nung tinignan niya, wow, the Philippines is surrounded by a lot of species. Di ba? Alam mo, kanya tayong maswerte kasi nasa tayo, you call the Coral Triangle. Yung Coral Triangle is composed of Indonesia, Malaysia, parts of Australia, the Philippines. Kasi ano yan tropical seas yan Yung kasi mga corals, hindi mag-survive pag malamig. Tulad ng Japan. Di ba? Yung mga malalamig. Kasi hindi magsusurvive yung mga corals. Kung gusto mo magkaroon ng mga corals, kailangan tropical climate. Tama ba? Ngayon, at bakit maganda mag-dive sa Philippines? Napakaraming islands. At pag maraming islands, around it, puros corals yan. Kaya nga, ang tandaan mo, ganito. Pag meron ka binisitang isang exotic island sa Philippines, nakita mo, white sand. Okay? Itaga mo sa bato, walang diving doon. Kasi white sand Di ba? White sand So, yung ilalim nun, sand rin. Tulad ng Boracay. Walang diving sa Boracay, doon sa harapan ng white sand. Now, if you want to dive in Boracay, pupunta ka doon sa mga corner ng island kung saan yung maraming bato sa may yapak side. Kasi wala masyadong sand doon, puros batuhan doon Right? So, yung ilalim nun, nagiging corals. You have any questions about your diving? Bakit ka nahihirapan sumagot? Wala kang questions? Ako magtatanong sa'yo. Okay. What is the golden rule in scuba diving?
Do not hold your breath.
Yes. What's the second rule?
Do not dive without a dive plan.
Ha? Nakalimutan mo? Babawi ko yata lisensya mo
Do not hold your breath and
that's the golden rule. What is the second one?
do not ascend.
Do not ascend fast.
Yes.
Diba? You have to ascend slow. Okay. Now, most of my students will ask me, Mr. Baron, what is the technique in ascending? Diba? A lot of books will say, do not ascend more than 60 feet per minute. Do not ascend more than 30 feet per minute. Tama yan lahat. But my point is, as a new diver, you cannot compute that. Okay? And I don't care if people will get mad at me, but you cannot compute that. How can you compute you're a beginner? Diba? How can you compute 60 feet per minute or 30 feet per minute? So now, I'm going to tell you, every time you ascend, you deflate everything inside your BCD. Okay? Deflate everything. Walang laman yung BCD mo. And then you go up using your fins. Pagdating mo sa 5 meters, okay, you go neutral. Alam mo sabihin neutral? If you need to inflate, you inflate. If you need to deflate, you deflate. You go neutral. Because there are 3 kinds of buoyancy, right? Positive, negative, and neutral. Right? So you go neutral. So now you're neutrally buoyant, mag-pass out ka at 3 minutes for 5 meters. 3 minutes, okay na yan. Safety stop. Puro tango ka ng tango ah. Ano, gusto mo extend natin ang course mo?
Advanced.
Okay. O sige, next time I'll see you ha. Congratulations, you are now a scuba diver. So now it's time to get wet. And let's go scuba diving.